3, 2, 1.
Which constellation is known as the Hunter? The answer is A. Orion. Which team won the Women's World Cup in football in 2019? The answer is A. USA. Which sport uses a soccer ball? The answer is D. Soccer. Which country has the highest peak, Mount Everest? The answer is A. Nepal. What is the traditional clothing of Chinese scholars called? The answer is D. Mandarin. In The Hunt for Red October, Borden is killed by a KGB agent on board disguised as a cook's assistant. What was the KGB/cook's assistant's name? The answer is C. Lodjanov. What is the time interval required for one complete wave to pass a point called? The answer is D. Period. Which element has an atomic number equal to its mass number? The answer is A. Hydrogen. The term linguistics comes from which language? The answer is B. Latin. What is a cold, dry, and dense air mass formed over polar regions? The answer is A. Tropical maritime. Which best describes a proton? The answer is C. Positively charged and part of the nucleus. Brussels sprouts are a type of what? The answer is A. Cabbage. What is the study of electromagnetic forces and radiation called? The answer is D. Electrodynamics. What is the name of the procedure where an unknown compound can be analyzed in the laboratory in order to determine the percentages of each element contained within it? The answer is C. Elemental analysis. Historically, malaria has rivaled what as the leading cause of human death by infectious disease? The answer is B. Tuberculosis. Which of these is not a famous piece by Duke Ellington? The answer is C. 1 o'clock jump. Soil color is closely related to its content. Which element causes soil to appear red? The answer is A. Iron. Many innovative farming methods can prevent what type of erosion, which is especially important in agriculture? The answer is C. Soil erosion. In the BO Railroad, what does the B stand for? The answer is B. Baltimore. Which Japanese vice admiral commanded the Japanese military planes during the attack on Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941? The answer is A. Chuichi Nagumo. Which car has the longest production run? The answer is C. Ford Model T. What is light as a feather but hard as a stone? The answer is C. Pillow. What was the name of Paladin's favorite bellhop at the hotel? The answer is B. Hey boy. Which piece of golf equipment is used to hit the ball on tees? The answer is D. Wood. What is a rock exposed to if it's undergoing metamorphism? The answer is B. Heat and pressure. Who can hear sounds? The answer is B. Giraffes. Which actress played Elaine Nardo in the American TV series Taxi? The answer is A. Marilu Henner. What are materials that can be magnetized called? The answer is C. Ferromagnetic materials. In the movie Hold That Ghost, what animals does Camille Brewster Joan Davis tell Luca Stella she cannot go to bed without? The answer is C. Mules. What is the basic unit of currency for Afghanistan? The answer is A. Afghani. Who won the first Wimbledon tennis championship in 1877? The answer is C. William Renshaw. What is altered by changes in cardiac output by variable constriction of the arterioles? The answer is C. Blood pressure. What is the invention of the telephone attributed to? The answer is A. Alexander Graham Bell. Which of these people will have the best sight while driving to work? The answer is C. A person in the spring morning. What was George Washington's party? The answer is C. None. Lighting a candle causes that candle to what? The answer is D. Scorch. A scientist discovered a fossil of an ocean plant in the rocks of a desert. What does the discovery of this fossil most likely tell the scientist? The answer is D. The area was once covered by water. What is the name of the restaurant that the friends frequent in the movie American Pie? The answer is C. Dog Ears. How did Michael Moore finance his movie Roger and Me? The answer is D. He ran bingo games. I was a college student working as a babysitter for 3 kids in New Brunswick, New Jersey. What TV show was I on? The answer is D. Charles in Charge. Which French actress won the 1959 Academy Award for Best Actress in a Leading Role? The answer is D. Simone Signoret. The marsupial embryo is nourished inside the uterus with food from a yolk sac instead of through a what? The answer is A. Placenta. Why could the The answer is C. She defaulted on some old credit card. Who is Legrand Cigar supposedly buried within the animated sitcom Futurama? The answer is A. George Burns. What was the capital of the Roman Empire in 500 AD? The answer is B. Constantinople. The Amazon River flows into which ocean? The answer is B. Pacific. Fertilization occurs when what material from one flower reaches the female gametes in the same or a different flower? The answer is A. Pollen. Which kitchen appliance can cook multiple dishes at once? The answer is C. Oven. In what year was the first version of the Linux operating system released? The answer is B. 1991. What sport did Sarah Palin play in high school?